Step-by-step plan for AI ad placement optimization. Learn how to improve your digital advertising outcomes by understanding how to strategically optimize the placement of your ads. Find out the key steps and insider tips for achieving success in our detailed and easy-to-follow guide. 1. Understand your target audience. Gather demographic data. 1. Tools to use. Google Analytics. Facebook Audience Insights. Survey tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms. 2. Step-by-step. Utilize Google Analytics to analyze website visitors' demographics. Harness Facebook Audience Insights for social media demographics. Conduct surveys to gather additional demographic information. Analyze online behavior. 1. Tools. Google Analytics. Social media analytics, Facebook Insights, Twitter Analytics, Instagram Insights. 2. Step-by-step. Identify the websites your audience frequently visits using Google Analytics. Check social media activity patterns using platform-specific analytics. 2. Determine optimal times for ad placement. Identify peak activity periods. 1. Tools to use. Google Analytics. Social media analytics. 2. Step-by-step. Use Google Analytics to find peak traffic times on your website. Check social media analytics to identify when your audience is most active. 3. Choose the right platforms. Analyze engagement metrics. Tools to use. Ad campaign performance reports. Google Ads, Facebook Ads Manager. Google Analytics. 2. Step-by-step. Compare engagement metrics, click-through rates, conversions, across different platforms using ad campaign reports. Use Google Analytics to track the performance of ads on your website. 4. Create and optimize content. Produce compelling content. 1. Tools to use. Content creation tools, Canva, Adobe Spark. Blogging platforms, WordPress, Medium. 2. Step-by-step. Use Canva or Adobe Spark to create visually appealing content. Write high-quality blog posts using WordPress or Medium. Optimize website design. 1. Tools to use. Website builders, Wix, Squarespace. User experience tools, Hotjar, Crazy Egg. 2. Step-by-step. Use Wix or Squarespace to create a user-friendly website. Analyze user behavior and optimize design using Hotjar or Crazy Egg. 5. Implement effective call to actions, CTAs. Design and place CTAs strategically. 1. Tools to use. CTA button generators, HubSpot, Canva. A/B testing tools, Optimizely, VWO. 2. Step-by-step. Easily create stunning CTA buttons with the assistance of HubSpot or Canva. Conduct A/B testing with Optimizely or VWO to find the most effective CTA placements. 6. Leverage social media platforms. Engage with your audience. 1. Tools to use. Social media management tools, Hootsuite, Buffer. Social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. 2. Step-by-step. Schedule posts and engage with followers using Hootsuite or Buffer. Actively respond to comments and messages on social media platforms. 7. Implement data-driven marketing strategies. Analyze customer data. 1. Tools to use. CRM systems, Salesforce, HubSpot CRM. Data analytics tools, Google Analytics, Tableau. 2. Step-by-step. Use Salesforce or HubSpot CRM to track customer interactions and preferences. Analyze data using Google Analytics or Tableau to identify trends and behaviors. Tool comparison and recommendations. Google Analytics versus Facebook Audience Insights. Recommendation, Google Analytics. 1. Why? Offers comprehensive data on both website and social media traffic, allowing for a unified view of audience behavior. Canva versus Adobe Spark for content creation. Recommendation, Canva. 1. Why? User-friendly interface suitable for small business owners with limited design experience. Wix versus Squarespace for website design. Recommendation, Wix. 1. Why? Offers more flexibility and a broader range of templates, making it easier for small businesses to create customized websites. HubSpot versus Canva for CTA design. Recommendation, Canva. 1. Why? Provides more design options and is easier to use for creating visually appealing CTAs. Hootsuite versus Buffer for social media management. Recommendation, Hootsuite. 1. Why? For businesses seeking to elevate their social media strategy, it offers an array of advanced features for scheduling and analytics. 1. This is truly remarkable. Importance of ad placement optimization. 1. By strategically placing ads based on thorough analysis of data and audience behavior, businesses can maximize visibility, engagement, and conversion rates. 2. Ad placement optimization ensures that marketing budgets are utilized effectively by targeting the right audience at the right times and on the most suitable platforms. Benefits of AI in ad placement optimization. Statistics. 1. According to a study by eMarketer, businesses that implement AI in ad placement optimization see an average increase of 25% in conversion rates. 2. AI-powered ad placement tools can reduce wasted ad spend by up to 30%, as reported by Forbes Insights. Benefits. 1. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data quickly to identify trends and patterns that human analysis may overlook. 2. By automating the process of ad placement optimization, AI allows marketers to focus on creatives and strategy while improving campaign performance. Conclusion. By following this step-by-step plan and leveraging AI-powered tools, businesses can enhance their ad placements, engage their target audience effectively, and drive higher conversion rates in the dynamic digital advertising landscape.